Welcome to the project demonstration of automatic home appliances using Arduino and Bluetooth. In this project we are using Arduino Uno, Bluetooth module, track PCB, 4 relays and 4 bulb holders and 4 bulbs, and also using rectifier. Here we can see the rectifier. It will convert 230 volts AC supply into 5 volts of DC. That 5 volts of DC output will be taking this supply. That supply will be given, this supply will be given to this track PCB, so that 5 volts power supply, 5 volts DC power supply divide equally to the all components like Arduino Uno, Bluetooth module, relays. So we'll see the demonstration. Here we are providing the power supply through this cable. It will take 230 volts AC supply and given to this bridge rectifier, and parallelly through this supply we are connecting relays and bulb holders. So now power supply is on. After that we have to pair this Bluetooth module to our phone. So first of all we have to on Bluetooth module, Bluetooth. So here we can see SC05, which means this Bluetooth module name. So it is asking password. Password should be 1234. Now it is paired. Here we can see SC05, and we have to go serial Bluetooth module. Now we have to come. We can see the lines, 3 lines, and we have to select these devices. So it is showing SC05. We have to press that one. Now it is connected. So light blinking will be off. It will blink with delay, which means Bluetooth module is connected to this phone. If I press capital A, bulb will be on. If I press small a, bulb will be off. In the same way, this bulb for B, C, D. Here we can see capital B, small b, capital C, and small c, and capital D, and small d. Capital letters for the on the bulb holder, and capital C, small letters for the of the bulb. So if I on all powers, all bulbs, so have to press all capital letters like A, B, C, D. Now it will be on line. So if I want to off the lines from D, C, B, A, I want to press D, small letters D, C, B, A. It will be off. In this way this project will be works. Thanks for watching.